Camping food can be challenging at times because cooking over an open flame or campfire doesn't always produce the best results. Campers need to have some basic equipment for cooking their meals, so they spend less time wondering what to eat for dinner and more time making these memories. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to present you with a list of the top 5 best campfire cooking kits available on the market. After doing a lot of research, we found these products to be most beneficial for individuals like yourself. If you're interested in knowing more about price and other details, be sure to check out my video description. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for daily video notification. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. MSR Trail Mini Solo Camping Cook Set. If you're going on a solo camping excursion, you already know that you'll have to rely on yourself for everything. One of the items on your checklist is preparing meals at the campsite. You are alone, so you need cookware that is light and portable. The MSR Trail Mini Solo Cook Set is perfect for solo campers. Mountain Safety Research is a brand that specializes in outdoor adventures. They have been helping people brave the wilderness for years, and their equipment is trusted by those who know it best. This cooking kit is exceptionally lightweight, pot-boilable, and pack-friendly, so you can eat great food without having to rely on other people. It also has a military-grade durable build that will hold up in even harsh conditions like windy weather or heavy hailstorms, making this an all-rounder camping kitchen essential when going off the grid with just yourself at hand. You can also nest an MSR Pocket Rocket 2 Mini Stove Kit, which holds just enough water for 2 cups of coffee. Backpackers, you'll appreciate this cookware set. Number 4. The Pathfinder School Campfire Survival Cooking Kit. Besides getting a large tent, the Pathfinder Campfire Survival Cooking Kit is the perfect camping companion for 1 or 2 people. The kit includes everything you need to cook and eat out in the wilderness, including a stove, canteen, a surprisingly big spork, stainless steel bottle, and bottle hanger, as well as a ferrocerium rod that can be used to light your campground or start a fire. Everything is packed in a sturdy pouch that can accommodate extra items. I've crammed everything from communications to a toolkit, rope, flashlights, knives, and more into the shoulder bag. You can't go wrong with this set since it's still light and compact. Number 3. CampMaid Grill and Smoker. The best way to make an impression at your next campfire cookout is with the 3-piece CampMaid Grill and Smoker. Made from heavy-duty cast iron, it's the perfect mix between durability and portability. This product is great for people who love cooking in the classic Dutch oven. The stand is designed to fit Dutch ovens measuring 12 inches. I love that the lid can now serve as a frying pan for when you want to fry up some bacon and eggs. In this camping grill starter kit, you get a tripod stand, Dutch oven lid remover, a flip grill, and a charcoal tray, all packaged in a compact carry bag. The possibilities are endless with this grill. I often use it to barbecue anything from chicken legs, wings, and ribs all the way up through pizzas. Unless you're in a bind regarding weight, this is the most innovative camp stove you'll find for car campers. Number 2. Keith Titanium Ti 3060 Canteen Mess Kit. Titanium is a strong, lightweight metal that doesn't rust or corrode. It's used to make everything from aircraft and spacecraft to artificial hips and pacemakers. And now it's used in the Keith Titanium Ti 3060 Canteen Mess Kit. There are no annoying rattles inside the pouch since it has an internal sleeve that holds the canteen cup's lid from hitting against the canteen. You can easily carry 32 ounces of water or even ice cubes with the canteen kit as it has a wide mouth design. It also comes with a titanium pot and lid for cooking. The single-serve cup is great for 1 person. It's really light, and the heat distribution works well in direct campfire heat, which I find surprising compared to stainless steel versions of these cups. The boiling time on this model was excellent too. I have not had any leaks with this cap, and most importantly, even after water had been in it for a few weeks, there was no metallic taste. I can't really say that much about how it works in one review, but when you're backpacking on a minimalist lifestyle, this baby will come through for you. It has so many uses, from water prep to cooking over an open fire with little care needed. Well worth the extra cost if you need a high-quality campfire cook set that won't break or dent easily while traveling with your gear. Number 1. Stanley Base Camp Cook Set. Are you looking for an all-in-one campfire cooking set that can cook meals for large groups? This is a very well thought-out campfire cooking kit. There are 4 separate sets of dishes, utensils in the package. You can use it for car camping, and the stainless steel pots are ideal because they're thick enough to provide even heating over firewood, making cooking easy. The rounded handles on each of them make it more comfortable to work in, and they're designed to look good and perform well. Whether you're headed out on your next scout trip or just want to host a backyard barbecue, this 21-piece cooking set will be perfect for all of those adventures. Staying lightweight and compact, it's easy to pack up in preparation without sacrificing performance. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you need additional information or have questions about pricing, be sure to check out the video description. For any kind of issues, please leave a comment below. Stay informed with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.